Where does this come from? Coding, utf-8. Python recognizes the following as instruction which defines files encoding. I definitely saw this kind of instructions before, var column value dash. Where does it come from? What is the full specification? For example, can the value include spaces, special symbols, new lines, even dash itself? My program will be writing plain text files and I'd like to include some metadata in them using this format.
This way of specifying the encoding of a Python file comes from PEP0263, defining Python source code encodings. It is also recognized by new emacs. See Python language reference 2.1.4 encoding declarations, though I don't know if it was the first program to use that syntax.
#coding column utf-8 - is a Python 2 thing. In Python 3.0 plus the default encoding of source files is already utf-8, so you can safely delete that line, because unless it says something other than some variation of utf-8, it has no effect. See should I use encoding declaration in Python 3. pupgrade is a tool you can run on your code to remove those comments and other useless leftovers from Python 2, like having all your classes inherit from object.
This is so-called file local variables, that are understood by emacs and set correspondingly. See corresponding section in emacs manual. You can define them either in header or in footer of file.
In PyCharm, I'd leave it out. It turns off the utf-8 indicator at the bottom with a warning that the encoding is hard-coded. Don't think you need the PyCharm comment mentioned above.